How to change AirDrop settings. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap AirDrop. Here, you'll see three options: Receiving Off, Contacts Only, and Everyone for 10 minutes. Select Receiving Off if you don't want to receive AirDrop requests. Choose Contacts Only if you only want people in your contacts to be able to send you files. Or select Everyone for 10 minutes if you want anyone nearby using an Apple device to be able to send you files for a limited time. Your changes will be saved automatically and take effect immediately. You can also quickly change your AirDrop settings from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, touch and hold the Network Settings card, tap AirDrop, and choose your preferred option. And that's it. You've successfully changed the AirDrop settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.